Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you about common sum problem. Who all the learner have a problem because I don't have any partner with whom I can speak English. Actually, every person don't have something like this problem, but this problem are facing related to villager people. Okay, all the villager people have a problem. Actually, how to start speaking English? I don't have any more much partner, so with whom I can speak English. So today in my video I am going to share with you how to start speaking English, how to learn English. Actually, all the person are facing this problem. I think this is a very big problem to every person who want to learn English. Even they are related to village, so that's why they can't speak English. All the time they think something like this: I don't know how to start speaking English without partner. When we start speaking English, so that time I couldn't speak English because I don't have any partner, and I think something like this: with whom I can speak English. uh, I speak with myself. How could we get a feedback? I don't know whether I am perfect or not. I am learning English more much, but I don't know whether I am good or not. Okay, actually, all the learner have a problem. Maximum this problem has related to rural area as a villager people. Okay, all the times they think something like this: I don't know how to start speaking English, but I want to improve my communication skill. Can I speak English perfect? Can I be fluent in English? Of course, definitely you will be improved, but provided you have lots of practice. Without practice you can't speak English. Now it's question rise: how to improve my communication skill? Actually, I don't have more much person with whom I speak English. Even our villager people speak our native language. They don't speak Hindi. So how to start speaking English? I would like to tell you something: how to start speaking English without partner. And first of all, I would like to tell you, if you don't have any partner, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Only focus on your improving English. I have lots of things for improving English. When you are alone at your home, so that time you can create any fake story and then you can speak with yourself. Any fake story as a short story, okay, related to your family members, related you your to friend circle. Anytime you can create any fake story and then you can speak English. So you are thinking something like this: I am very sure, because I will create any fake story, but how could we get feedback? Because I don't know whether I am good or not, because I want to be fluent in English. So I would like to tell you, you have mobile phone. Okay, you can use mobile phone. You can create any fake story, so you can record, and then you can check yourself and you can find your mistake. So next time you will think something like this: I will not make the mistake, because this time I was making the wrong, but this time right now I will not making the mistake. So I think this is a very good for this way is very good way for improving English, and definitely you will be improved. And another way, you have to make the habit. How to question, how to make the how to make the habit? I don't have any partner. Actually, I want to look for the good partner, but I don't know with whom I can speak English. When I start speaking English, and all the person make the fun. So, how to start? Actually, you can make the habit. Actually, when you are going to work, so that time you can start speak with yourself. Let me one thing, okay? when you are when you are at alone your home, okay, so that time you think in Hindi, because this time how should we create any fake story, how should we speak with other person? All the person think something like this related to other person, okay. Because what will I do something like this? Please, that time you should you should think in English. You can start thinking in English, and definitely you will be improved. You can you can make the habit all the times, without hesitation, without thinking other person, what does people think about me, about any person. Because please don't think about any person. Please try to speak English, and try to speak English with other person, okay. You want to deliver your message in English, okay, so please try to speak English. When you try to speak English, so that's why you will be improved. So all the times I think something like this, and look for opportunity. Whenever you get any opportunity, so you can apply that opportunity which got you. So I think this is a very good way for improving English, and definitely you will be perfect, and you can create any fake story, okay. Other anytime you can speak with yourself. You can make the video, and then you can find your mistake, and then you can correct. I think this is a very good, and even I am using this way, so that's why I am telling to you. I have lots of problem, because I you know I learned English having the lots of problem in the initially day. It happens. So please don't afraid of making the mistake. Don't afraid of speaking English, because this time I am learning English. I don't have any partner. I don't know how to start speaking English. Please avoid all the things and step for improving English. That's it. Definitely you will be improved, okay. So in the end, I would like to tell you, if you are really interested for improving English, please follow these steps for improving English. First one, create any fake story, and then make a habit. And next one, don't afraid of making the mistake, and don't afraid of speaking English with in front of people. So definitely you will be improved, I believe, okay. So in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share, and comment my video. And I will meet next my video. So till then, bye bye.